This is the new reality of modern fashion, where elegance meets comfort and sneakers play a starring role. Once confined to gyms and casual errands, sneakers have evolved into a fashion powerhouse, redefining what it means to look polished and sophisticated. Whether it's pairing sneakers with a pleated midi skirt or elevating them with a tailored coat, the options are endless. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to achieving an elegant look with sneakers. We'll discuss how to incorporate them into your outfits, share key styling tips, and highlight the best brands to help you stay timeless, chic, and elegant. Let's explore the world of elegant sneakers together. Let's start with a little history. Sneakers have come a long way from their athletic origins. From sportswear to runway. Sneakers first gained popularity in the early 20th century as functional sportswear. They were designed for practicality, with little thought given to aesthetics. Fast forward to the 21st century, sneakers have become a symbol of modern luxury, appearing on runways from Paris to Milan. The comfort revolution. The shift towards sneakers wasn't just about fashion. It was about comfort. Women began seeking shoes that could support their busy lives without sacrificing style. This demand led to the rise of elegant casual, where sneakers found their sweet spot. Athleisure meets high fashion. The athleisure trend blurred the lines between activewear and everyday fashion, paving the way for sneakers to become acceptable, even desirable, in high-end wardrobes. Designer sneakers. Luxury brands recognized the potential and began creating sneakers that combined exquisite craftsmanship with sleek designs, making them suitable for even the most sophisticated outfits. Today, sneakers are more than just shoes. They're a lifestyle choice, symbolizing effortless elegance and versatility. So why are sneakers so essential to achieving an elegant look? Versatility. Sneakers can be paired with almost anything, from tailored trousers to midi dresses. They can add a modern touch to classic outfits, making them a wardrobe staple. Effortless appeal. There's something undeniably chic about combining casual footwear with refined clothing. It's the ultimate blend of high and low fashion. Practicality. Heels aren't always practical, and so sneakers offer the perfect alternative, allowing you to look polished while staying comfortable. Timeless modernity. Unlike fleeting trends, sneakers have a timeless quality. Investing in a well-crafted pair ensures they'll remain relevant for years to come. Styling sneakers for an elegant look. Now that we've embraced sneakers as a staple, let's talk about how to style them elegantly. Pair sneakers with tailored pieces. Combine white sneakers with tailored trousers and a blazer for a polished yet relaxed look. This outfit works perfectly for casual office days or stylish brunches. Sneakers with dresses and skirts. Opt for midi dresses or pleated skirts. Pair these feminine pieces with clean, minimalist sneakers to balance elegance with modernity. For added sophistication, choose monochromatic or neutral tones. Layering is key. Throw on a structured trench coat or an oversized blazer over your outfit. Layering not only adds depth, but also elevates your sneaker look. Choose neutral and timeless colors. White, beige, black, and muted pastels are perfect for maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Avoid overly bold patterns or neon shades that might clash with refined outfits. Accessorize thoughtfully. A structured handbag, delicate jewelry, or a silk scarf can bring elegance to your ensemble, making the sneakers feel like an intentional part of your life. The power of fit. Whether it's your pants, dress, or outerwear, ensure everything fits well. Ill-fitted clothes can make even the most stylish sneakers look sloppy. Essential sneaker styles to elevate elegance. While sneakers come in many forms, these are the ones that truly embody elegance. Classic white sneakers. Timeless and versatile, these are a must-have. Brands like Common Projects with their signature style, the original Achilles Low, and Axel Arigato with clean 90s sneakers. Both brands excel in creating sleek and minimalist designs. Luxury designer sneakers. Consider options from The Row, particularly their signature sneaker style, the Dean. Loro Piana with their signature sneakers, the Flexi Walk and Nuages, or Low's signature style, the Flow Runner. These often feature subtle branding and premium materials. Platform sneakers. For a little extra height, platform sneakers from brands like Superga or Alexander McQueen are perfect. They add a modern edge while remaining classy. Slip-on sneakers. Laceless styles like those from Vince or 80s offer a clean and effortless look. Neutral-toned sneakers. Beige, gray, or blush-toned sneakers from brands like Veja or Everlane blend seamlessly with capsule wardrobes. High-top sneakers. Pair sleek high tops with cropped trousers or midi skirts for a unique twist on elegance. Look to brands like Saint Laurent or Balenciaga for inspiration. Incorporating sneakers into a capsule wardrobe. Creating a capsule wardrobe with sneakers at its core is easier than you think. Here's how. Start with basics. Choose 2 to 3 pairs of versatile sneakers such as a white leather pair, a neutral-toned option, and a statement style for variety. Prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in sneakers made from premium materials for durability and elegance. Brands like Loro Piana or Common Projects offer durability and elegance. Complement your wardrobe. Your sneakers should align with the color palette of your capsule wardrobe. For example, if your wardrobe leans toward cool tones, stick to whites, grays, and blues. Mix and match. Ensure your sneakers pair well with the other pieces in your wardrobe, such as tailored trousers, midi dresses, and structured outerwear. Seasonal tweaks. In colder months, pair your sneakers with wool coats and cashmere scarves. In warmer weather, opt for lighter fabrics and cropped silhouettes. Top 10 brands for elegant sneakers in 2025. Let's talk about brands. These are some of the best elegant sneakers that fit seamlessly into your 2025 wardrobe. Common Projects is known for their minimalist designs. Their sneakers are a go-to for understated luxury. Veja is considered eco-conscious and chic. The brand offers stylish sneakers crafted from sustainable materials. Axel Arigato. This Swedish brand combines sleek designs with contemporary aesthetics, perfect for modern elegance. Golden Goose. For those who appreciate a slightly distressed look, the brand offers sneakers with a touch of individuality. Chanel's sneakers bring haute couture to everyday fashion, blending classic elegance with modern comfort. Everlane, with a focus on simplicity and sustainability, these sneakers are ideal for capsule wardrobes. Saint Laurent sneakers are sleek and sophisticated, offerings work well with tailored and feminine pieces. Alexander McQueen is known for their platform sneakers that combine bold design with refined aesthetics. Superga is affordable yet stylish, and the sneakers are a timeless addition to any wardrobe. The Row features sleek silhouettes, neutral tones, and subtle detailing, aligning with the brand's ethos of understated elegance. Perfect for those seeking refined, versatile footwear that complements a sophisticated wardrobe. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to keep in mind when styling sneakers. Opt for monochrome outfits. Wearing one color head to toe elongates your silhouette and adds a refined touch. Keep them clean. Sneakers should always be spotless. Dirty shoes can ruin even a well-put-together outfit. Experiment with textures. Mixing materials like leather, suede, or knit fabrics can elevate your sneaker outfits. Balance proportions. Chunky sneakers pair well with slim-fitting pants, while sleeker sneakers complement flowy skirts and dresses. This was my ultimate guide to achieving elegance with sneakers. From styling tips to the best brands, we've explored how these versatile shoes can elevate your wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and found these tips helpful. Now it's your turn. Which sneaker style or outfit idea did you love the most? How do you plan to incorporate sneakers into your elegant outfits? Your feedback means the world to me, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. I always enjoy reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel for more tips on fashion, style, and elegance. I'd also love to hear your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me. Stay inspired, stay stylish, stay elegant, and I will see you again in the next video.